Welcome to the Danger Zone, bidders! Get ready for the July auction preview!
Welcome everyone to the July Danger Zone auction event. Boy, do we got a good one for you this month. From building kits, skid steer attachments, remote lawnmowers. I mean, how good does it get? Plus it's a month of freedom. Gunshots in the back and great items to bid on. So let's get going. We have our new brand from Future. We have the Cap-Talk 20x12 livestock shed. We also have these big boys. So these are what semi-trucks use to tow each other. That side hooks onto the fifth wheel of a semi-truck, and then you can tow another semi-truck behind you. It is a tow dolly. They are quite big. This is a very specialized use. And then from the same container are these remote lawnmowers. Except these use the flail front for mowing and not like your normal disc mower, but on tracks. And then for the concrete guys, a big trowel. We have a log splitter, a tree shear down below, a stump grinder right there, and then another style of electric lawnmower. And then a pallet racking system below that. Not to mention a bunch of corrugated siding, different colors, white, charcoal. Then the mats as usual. We have the Wig brand again for the skid steer attachments, from augers to the concrete mixers to the tree shears to the sickle bar mower. So this is just the brush hogs, pallet fork extensions, the trenchers. We have power rakes in the back. We have the 50-inch forestry mulcher, 2 of those. Then we also have the 72-inch in the back. Just cannot get back there. More of the 8-way Dozer blades, the tiller, and some pallet forks, along with a much bigger stump grinder, sweeper, and the tree pullers. Then for the mini skids, we have these kits. From a bucket, smooth bucket, grapple, ripper, augers, and quick attach. We also have attachments for 1-ton excavators. Then we roll into the attachments. We have the bucket attachment. We have power rakes, bale spears. We have hydraulic pallet forks, more power rakes, rock buckets, rock grapple, tillers, more building kits, mini grapple buckets, mini rock grapple buckets, transfer pumps, no-till seeders. This one did have the lid damage from shipping. Auger kits, more pallet forks for skid steer. We have cattle chute, the landowner mini skid loaders, changing binders, lifting straps, the gantry cranes, winches, and those were the diesel or gasoline tanks with the motor on it. Here we roll into the SD launch group. We have the 10K Automotive lifts. They would really have made one of those white so we could still say red, white, and blue. Then we have more of the mini skids. We have red and yellow. We have the dumpers, more gates, and tuk-tuks in the back. But you all have seen those plenty. So here we have 4 foot tall, 100 foot in length, galvanized, hot dipped field fence. So these are sold individually. There are 20 total to bid on. Then we move into some 10 foot long galvanized corrugated steel panels. There's 100 pieces in this set. I think a lot of people refer to this as ag panel. And this is where we roll into what this container was mainly full of, and it was a lot of building kits, but we'll get to each of those. So here we have on top a 12 by 20 metal shed, and below it we have a 41 by 20 foot. Let's get some weeds out of the way. Oh. Carport. Then over here we got a 23 by 22. Oh. All right. Then it just continues to get bigger. So this is a dual kit, 42 by 30 foot metal storage shed. Has barn-esque looks. These bamboo boxes don't hold up great, just FYI. Then we go to another 23 by 22 foot double garage. We have several of the 23 by 22 foot double garages. Well, then a 20 by 30 foot. Let's see, we got multiple of the livestock sheds from 25 foot by 12, 20 foot by 12. Then 42 by 30 foot metal storage sheds again. The A and B, so those both will come together. These are pretty heavy. They're also, yeah, it definitely requires a trailer for this one to be hauled. 45 by 20 foot metal garage, another dual kit. So as you can tell, we have several of those. Here's something really new to the auction, is a portable restroom. So it is pretty good size. It has full hookups in the back for septic, hot and cold. Let's get back here so you can see it. So there's the hot and cold, and for the septic hookup. Window in it. It's a pretty nice setup. Has rigging points on top, so it can be lifted in and out of a job site. Here we have what they call modular livestock shelter. So if you need something that you can move around. So it does come with somewhat of a shelter and panels. Here we have the more gates. These are sold as pairs. So they're 7 foot by 20 foot in length. That is when they are paired together. There's just not one. For this container, here we have a lot of the original items that you've seen before, from a wheel balancer to the tire changer. And we have one box that was damaged with a leaf blower that has been left out in the elements. All the others have been put inside a container for protection. We have more of the 6x8 sheds, the 8x10s. We also have one trip 40-foot sea containers that are in our auctions always. They come with most of the time it is 4 side doors, but we got quite a few that had just these 2 side doors. As you can see, and we have the remaining 27 kayaks and stand-up paddle boards. We have quite a few one-seaters, even the Neolon. Some fairly good sized ones still. The sunflowers are free, by the way.